It also goes down this route here to just get the audio file itself. Once it gets to the image prompter is going to create a variable amount of images right here based on the length of the script, and it's going to output those to replicate, where it's going to generate images using Flux LoRa, which is an image generation model. Then it will wait right here until the images are complete and get the images. And then those images are used to request a video. Very similar step here. It's just going to request that video, wait for the video to complete, and then get the final video. And it's going to iterate through this flow as many times as it needs to based on how many images actually came in, which is based on the script length. Then it's going to aggregate all of those videos together, pull together the audio file, and upload it to run some code on Zero Code Kit. This code's job is to generate the video editor request. And then once the video editor request is generated, we're going to send that off to a video editing API called Creatomate. We'll wait for the video to render, and then finally we'll have the get final video node right here, which just gets the final video URL. Then we'll save that final video URL and all of the stats in an Airtable, and we'll hand it off for another check step in Telegram, where it's going to come back and ask me if I want to post the video to YouTube. If I say no, it's just going to come down and it's going to say, okay, I didn't upload that, but you can access it in the Airtable. But if I say yes and I approve of the video and I want it to upload to YouTube, then it'll go down this route right here, where it's going to get the base 64 for that video, convert it to a file, upload it to YouTube, and then add the YouTube video ID to our Airtable database so that I can get a video link. Then it'll send me a message with the final video upload on YouTube. So let me show you how this works. I can just say, I want to generate a video idea about coffee. I can send that off. And here it gives me a video idea. So it says, interesting fact about the science behind coffee brewing. If I wanted to, I could just decline this and hit open. And then it's going to come back to me very intuitively, and it's going to say, what can I improve upon, right? So it says, could you tell me a bit more about what you're envisioning for the coffee video? Are you leaning towards a quick brewing tip, a fun fact about coffee culture, or maybe something else? And I could just say, let's think of some brewing tips that we could make videos about. And then it's just going to come back with a conversational reply and say, let's narrow down some brewing tips. Would you like a tip focused on water temperature, grind size, or brewing duration? We can even cover equipment differences like French press versus drip coffee. What do you prefer? And I'm just going to say, I want some tips on how to create beautiful latte art, but the video should only cover one tip. So let's narrow down some tips we could cover in the video. And it gives me the response here. And it has this tip here for ensuring the right espresso blend to create the best canvas. I'm just going to copy that, and I'm going to say, let's go with this idea and send that off. And here it gives me the idea. So it says single tip showing how the right espresso blend creates the perfect canvas for stunning latte art. I'm just going to copy this and I'll decline. I'm going to say this looks good, but when you pass the video idea, give the actual tip for this as more of an answer to the video idea, so that the video can be generated based on your prompt rather than passing just an idea. And I'll send that off. And finally, we have an idea here that's pretty solid. It says espresso blend with balanced acidity and thick crema creates an ideal canvas for latte art. I'm just going to send this off by hitting approve. And now my video is going to work. If I click on the executions tab here, I'll see that it's running.